Ladies,
Lay however it wants.
Precalculus, and Bryce and Jose, welcome again to Route 15, where
Learning never ends.
even when Victoria isn't here. Hope she's doing okay. And so what we're doing is we left, I think, if I'm not mistaken, last Friday.
Mr. G!
Yes.
I just got a 10! My dog just threw this flower at Allie.
Did it hurt?
Okay.
It did.
All right. Let's just, can we just relax a little bit? Are we okay?
We're relaxed.
Okay. Where was I? Oh yes, we finished, if I'm not mistaken, last Friday, having finished number 13. And it really is a good place. What I want you to do is I want you to temporarily skip 14. We'll come back to it. But I want you to go on to 15. So we have a situation where we're trying to find the height of this observation deck here. And this is my version of the drawing that's in the book. There is in the book its own drawing. But basically you're trying to find out what this distance is right here. You got a 30-degree angle here, and you got a 40-degree angle here, and you have this side here being 200 feet. So I want you to work on that for a minute and see if you can get that.
What is this 40 degrees? It's just 40 degrees. This whole angle right here? It's basically this, but with this added on. It's basically this angle here, but with this added on. Oh, I got you. I'm good. Should I use 40? Yeah. 200. That's what I would even. That goes 40 degrees, so I'm trying to find the opposite. We're trying to find.
Oh, you're looking at the triangle like one big triangle. What is that? Little big triangle.
That's why I use 40.
I got you.
Use a calculator. Oh, that's so good.
It's asking for just this little part though, right?
You got 167. It's asking just that
167 is
little
the
part.
whole side.
I thought it was, yeah, I thought that was the height of the deck right here.
No, this little bitty thing right there.
Was asking for that?
Yeah, that's what Mr. G said.
What?
But I mean, this is the same thing as that. So
I know, like
now,
this. I thought it was asking for the whole like, height of it. Is it, yeah, oh, what is it just asking for this? It says what is the height of the observation.
So it's just, oh, yeah, I think,
So does it say, so do you have to find the small, do you have to find the 30 angle then and then subtract it from that?
yeah,
You would do that one?
like you would.
30 from line.
Yeah.
So what would you do at that angle? What would you?
tangent.
But that's not like an actual triangle, because it doesn't have any right angles in it, so it's a not.
Yeah,
How do you know that
that's
the adjacent for that is
Yeah.
200? Are you sure that this, the one that's straight at the bottom is equal to the line that's slanted up?
lying.
I thought we would just find this one and then subtract that, what we got previously from that.
So 210? Exactly.
But I don't understand why.
Because like what y'all are saying would work if the 200 was equal to the line that was slanted up.
Do you have it all figured out?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Do you need me to go ahead and explain what's going on here?
Yes, I got it.
Kathy was
So what
right,
did you do,
take-
Chloe?
you
So you
But
do
you
that
added in
You
40?
subtract 30, 10 from 40, 10.
But,
10.
Yeah, that's what.
But, so 200 is equal to this one too.
So it's 200 parentheses, 10, 40 minus 10, 30 bills.
Yeah.
So 200 and 10.
You take, you don't do the little triangle, you do the medium triangle.
Uh-huh.
10 of what?
So then, so it's what you said, Atlee, was tan 30 and tan 40, and then you subtract 2.
Okay.
Tan 30 equals X over 2.
Wait, what?
It's what I was saying about using
So
this
you get
triangle.
167. Do you not use the 167 at all?
Yes, you use, you get 167 for the whole thing.
Yes.
And then you do this triangle.
Oh, you
So you use 30, so 210, 30.
Do you have it all figured out now?
Yes.
It's 11.
200.
Nah.
If you do
And then 167 minus that gets you 250.
Okay, is it, I got the 167 part, and then after that you do tangent 30?
Good job,
200
Debbie.
tangent 30.
2. And then subtract those?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mr. G, we did it.
So you figured it out?
Yeah.
So I could call somebody, work it out?
Yeah.
All right. I'll do it.
Hey,
A little
Mr.
sunlight
G,
coming out on us? Yeah.
you know today is like a very special day.
What day is it today?
It's the second month, it's the 22nd of 2022. And it's
No, it's
Tuesday.
It's 2:22.
Mr.
And
G, I don't think you
Especially
understand what
at
this
2
does.
o'clock. Especially at 2 o'clock.
At 2:22.
At 2:22, yes. Even
Seriously,
more.
Mr. G, you need to focus your energy today. You need to cleanse your chakras today. And don't say anything bad to anybody.
2022 at 2:22 on a Tuesday.
So let's go to,
I can balance all of this. So I can run up the wall.
Wait, are we gonna have to sign for it?
Mine's out.
I don't know.
Sign for what?
so today we have,
I think it's just a weird thing coming from.
for this one we have BC.
Oh no. Mr. G, this is the only one that can't get on the paper.
So,
Actually, never mind. I'll just do it. I'll just do it. I'll just do it. I'll just do it. Oh, never mind. I did do this one right.
Already got it.
Me and Jason got the same answer.
No, we just haven't done any of these things.
What I want you to see here.
We just haven't done these. The right ones.
just really want to get in.
Here.
No. There's a student.
I couldn't even come to the one here I left, so. Yeah. I'm afraid of people. When I do basketball game, I realize how evil the little friends I have. I'm like, wow. This sucks. And I leave. True story, twice. I didn't even go into the first one. I just showed up in the parking lot and I was like, yeah, blizzard. I showed up and I was like, I can't do this. It was like Hannah Montana when she was on stage with her whole time. She's like, can't do it. Takes off the wig. Yeah. I'm sorry. Put the wig back on. We'll keep your secret. Hannah.
Surprise. Mr. G, it's
Yes.
Hannah Montana. Mr. G, are you Hannah Montana?
I got it.
Am I Hannah Montana? Why is that?
I can just see you being Hannah Montana.
Really?
Yeah. Wait. I have to get this to
I don't.
You subtracted from, you subtract
Yeah, 167.
200 tangent 30 minus 200 tangent 40.
So 200 tangent 40 minus 200 tangent 30, yeah, that's what it is. Because what it is, you have two triangles here. You got this triangle here, and this one here is going to be, this one here is going to be 115, or approximately, and this one here is going to be,
Yeah, that's the only thing.
this one right here is going to be 200 tangent 40 degrees.
what?
I wonder that.
So what you have is 200 tangent 40 degrees minus 200 tangent 30 degrees, and you get approximately 52.3 feet, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, two triangles essentially is how you do this. Okay? Questions on this one? I want you to do number 16, which is going to be somewhat similar to 15. And what we're going to do today is, after we get done with everything else, depending on what time we have, we're going to come back to 14 at the very last.
It's called Trigonometric.
Hey, Mr. G, I ain't made 50.
No, show me right here.
Yeah, sure, it's not bad.
What did you do,
It
Addie?
really makes sense, do the same thing.
So 100 changes.
Yeah, I did 100 change it to 57 and 100 change it to 75.
Why did you do 57? Yeah, where did you get those numbers? Would you not use 15 and just do
It's
this?
90, so I thought, this whole thing is 90. So 90 minus,
Oh, you didn't know.
I'm sorry, we can,
I was just gonna do, I was just gonna use this one below you.
what's the answer? You don't know it?
Ooh, guys, so much hair. Guys, so much.
Or is it 18?
I got 38.
38 miles per hour, that makes sense to me.
Yeah, I did it wrong.
Because the 100 isn't, so for that method to work, the 100 would be on top.
Yeah, I know.
So what would you do? Why would that be?
Because the 100 would have to be on top to use the same method. 200 wasn't.
You get it?
I got 38.1. Yeah, but when you say it means you can't use it. Yeah. Well, like what would you use? You would have to try to.
I got one.
But how would best fit Addie?
I got 121.4.
Patty, I don't think that's how far past the car was going.
It's how far the car.
Yeah, that's how far. Oh, feet.
Yeah, when she should go back
That
and
makes
fix it.
sense.
Okay, guys, let's read the ingredients.
Isn't that what you said?
Are really just roasting Camry.
And she's looking at the girl.
Come on. Okay. Green coffee bean. Coffee fruit.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
Send me one of those, please.
Wait,
You're the maid.
Aiden sent him that.
Potassium.
No,
105. Magnesium lactate. That's what we're used to.
Is it 32?
I think I got it, guys. You know when you just know things?
No.
Well, right now I think I know that Addie has it.
I don't know about that.
Just when you haven't told.
Is it 32? No, it's not 32.
See, I just got 219.
That's the answer.
Okay, this one here, we
What did
have
you do?
Addie,
What did you
Yeah.
do to get 32?
number 15, and 16 Addie.
Yeah, Addie, I'm way too bored with your hair.
Yeah, Mr. G, nobody really knows what you do.
Yeah, we're a little confused.
No
I
one,
mean, I have a couple answers.
now what you do, if you, I'll tell you, give you a hint. If you go ahead and do this,
Oh, Chloe might have that.
Like that.
That's what 121.4.
Yes.
That's what I learned first.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying now.
So what did you do? I found the
You got
angles.
153 and 32 and then subtract them, right? See, that's what I got at
I
first.
found these two.
if you do this,
triangles.
this operation
That makes sense.
makes it the same as, actually, it's
Don't know
57
what
here.
how I'm gonna choose, how I would choose.
57 is right here. Here's 57,
Uh-huh.
and here's 75 degrees. If you do this, it becomes like problem 15.
Oh, I didn't do that. Oh, that's what I did wrong, Addie.
So,
Was
How
I
did I get
just found.
75?
Huh?
I have what he had, but how did I get that?
90.
Oh,
That's right.
Mr. G, I got the answer, but I thought I was wrong, so I erased my work, but I forgot how I got my answer. Woo! Hold on, can I just write something?
yeah, you may write. You hit, the floor is yours.
87 and 75.
And what happens is, just out of abundance of protection, I'll show you here.
8. And then I did,
Wait, what was y'all's answer?
19.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, you got that?
I got 121.
Not when you do that.
Yeah, when you do that, it's 219. Because you get 373.
See, I had that too, but I erased it.
And 153.
And 153.
When you subtract it. Just keep doing right. just
Tangent
keep right.
75 right here,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and that equals what?
373.2.
0.2?
Yeah.
And then when you subtract 373.2 minus 153.99, you get 219.
219.2.
But Chloe, which way did we do it? We did 100 tangent 57 and then 100 tangent 18.
We
right?
only did that. We found that little.
We found this one and then this one.
Yeah, and that we can't do that kind of.
And
You have to
then,
do one
or
big
what did he do?
He did
found,
the triangles.
right. He found like this triangle and then what?
He found the big triangle.
This one?
Yeah, that one, and then the
And then the little one?
this
This one?
yeah, and that one.
So we found this triangle, so we did 100 tangent 75 and then 100 tangent 57.
Yeah.
And then what did he do?
He just subtracted.
100 tangent 75, 100 tangent 57. And then he subtracted to get that.
We were on the right track.
He
We
subtracted
just-
to get that, right?
Yeah.
All right. Has everybody worked it out by then? Because there's a lot of good discussion going on here, a lot of good debate. Somebody need to have it broken down anymore?
Went too detailed.
One way you could do it is that you could work it out as a cotangent, but to me, since you have a tangent button in your calculator, working it out like this, probably the best way to do it, I would say. Question about this? It'd be a problem like this on your test. You have a chapter test, which would be one of the harder problems on the test. Just because of level of complication, that's all. Okay, let's go on to number 17. Number 19, excuse me. Number 19. Okay, angle of depression is 19 degrees from a point. Has anybody ever been to the Grand Canyon before?
Yes,
Have been? I've been there a couple times.
Did you
Or no, 3 times. Very
3
impressive.
times?
I've been there 3 times. Very impressive.
That's awesome.
And 2 of the 3 times I hiked all the way down to the bottom of the canyon.
Oh, and that was I think that's, so is it asking for 2 different points, finding it between 2 different points? Like this,
Or is it just asking
like here's one triangle. It's saying how
Let's
deep
see,
is this?
this one, we
I thought it was
have,
asking for this. How wide is the canyon? Or
If that works too though,
this one we have KJ.
I don't know how the other number fits in.
exactly.
Because like, this is what it's asking, but it's asking
Yeah.
either this point or this point, because that's
So,
about how wide.
I have the same thing you guys wrote, but
Hey, can,
there's another
There's another number.
one
Okay,
that's
so
gonna be
start
like,
by
you know, over here.
subtract.
Well, me and Addie I wrote
Six,
it.
wait, yeah, so
Right, that's what I'm
subtracting
thinking we need to do.
6159 from
We have another
7656,
it's like,
Okay.
which should come out to
gonna draw it.
1,970. And then from there, you're gonna use cotangent since it's a depression. And then you're gonna put in 19 degrees.
How do I use cotangent?
Inverse tangent? Oh, inverse.
Wait, why are we subtracting?
Second.
Yeah, it's gonna help us. Just hearing how to do it. I need to know.
Why?
Yeah.
Like 1097.
What do you get? I see. 3,000?
Yeah.
Hold on, I don't know how to do it.
Did they go up the children?
I just don't know why we would subtract. So would it be 1097 and 19?
Is it feet? Yeah.
Yeah,
Because he said to subtract.
because he said they use cotangent, so you'll just have to switch it.
Why? Because it would be easier to use
What
tangent.
number is equal? Wait,
I don't know.
did you subtract 2 first?
Yeah, just because he said to.
I know I used to do calculus. I might try to do both of them.
Two solids
This one
by the
right
way.
here. And see if when you subtract those, if it comes out to the same.
Yeah, and then I'll just do it like this and see if it's the same.
So guys, I was thinking if like everyone in the United States today specifically starts like wishing and like manifesting for like World War III not to happen, like Ukraine, just like everything, you know. If we all start like praying right now, I feel like you could
Yes.
seriously change people's mind and
Yes.
tell it back with me. I'm not even kidding.
That's what I
Who-
think.
What are you good for?
guys, you guys know what happened in the United States?
No.
My grandma yesterday was like, she was out on the phone. Anyways, she was like, okay, anyways, she's
I
like,
know, gas
Okay,
prices
so-
are about to shock.
yeah. So anyway, she's like, Kobe, you're going to the gas station right now with these gas tank like barrels and filling them up. What do you think people at the gas station are gonna think and see when they see this
We got three
strange
cents.
man filling up
We
gas
both got the same answer.
like barrels? And
It's
like, what do you do that for? And they're like, oh my gosh.
But that's not like the answer. The answer's like 40,000 something.
Yeah.
I made two different triangles.
10 to 19.
Wait, tractor.
You did,
Yeah, and my grandma's
you did 72 pieces and 19. And
Yeah,
so you
how do we do
what's
that?
that? 10 to 19. Subtract the numbers.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it because I'm not getting that answer.
But that's not the answer in the book.
It's not,
It could be
No,
very
it's like
bad.
3,000.
It could be,
Yeah.
like, we might end up like.
Brian, you said you got a high number, what'd you get?
Like
How much should
17,000
we
or
call it
something?
expecting?
See, that's still not the
No,
best.
gas
I don't
could be
know.
$10.
No, but I don't
Wait,
think
why
we'll
are
do it.
gas prices?
I guess it's possible.
I think it'll be good for it.
I don't know stuff.
Why? I mean, I'm just saying.
It'll be good for us.
I don't know.
Why are gas prices going
I
up?
hope I get drafted.
Because Ukraine and Russia.
I hope I do too.
escalating.
I saw that. I saw.
Russia pretty much was
Pretty
pretty
much.
Yeah.
Pretty much, I don't think it's
I
I don't think
It won't be.
Russia pretty much hates everyone.
Yeah.
It'll be the world against Russia.
That's not
It'd be
Yeah.
data.
Well, Russia can win.
Yeah, Russia could, yes, they can.
I don't think, I mean, no one
Russia has,
because that's.
okay, but they do have them. But we have them, everyone has them.
So they won't use them.
They probably won't, I understand that, but they have them, they have other things like CMPs, and they have things that they don't. Okay, but I'm saying, if they use it.
Wait, you won't know they know that they won't use them, and we if you
I understand that, I
They're
understand
not
that.
powerful.
The thing is where you're gonna fight it, because you're not gonna be able to fight it in Russia, because Russia is basically a frozen vastland, and then you're not gonna fight it in Ukraine, because Ukraine is.
But it's not
They
even,
won't.
it might not even be like fighting, it might not be
It'll
like.
probably be overseas.
Like it could
If
be
anything,
something
it's
that
gonna be
happens
Cold
that
War,
like.
or like an
Russia's
assassination
army,
attempt.
like,
We just really need China. We cannot survive without China.
I don't think, I mean, if anything's gonna happen, us or anyone, it's not gonna happen.
No, I'm
We're either gonna die or
worried about it. Exactly, that's what I'm saying, because my grandma was freaking out, she's like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do.
I'm not
This
doing
and
it.
this, I'm like, I understand the depth of the situation.
Anybody else?
Freaking out.
Kendall says she just
Like, all
got
you-
stuck
all
on
you
this
do is
one.
sit here-
Yeah, we're stuck on
You want me to go try it out, Mr. James?
Just freaking working out, it's just not, it's not.
I'll show you. Then you tell us.
Situation where you don't have to be, because there's
I'll show
nothing
you.
you can do about it.
I'm telling my dad to free to tell and stuff.
I doubt anything like super crazy is gonna happen.
I don't
There
think-
will be, there probably is gonna be something.
So basically-
But I don't think it'll escalate to.
Well, you're bomb Texas.
Well, if,
They actually might bomb Dallas.
I think they'll go up and
we'll
down.
be good, we'll be good if they bomb that.
Yeah, but that's the.
Well,
Okay, here's your north rim.
It'll be good for the impact, but radiation is gonna be good for us.
Well, we have like those things where we can,
Here's your south rim.
Nukes in the air.
Yeah, that's true.
I guess.
It's like.
They probably go after Alaska first as a point of entry.
And then, what you're doing,
Yeah, there's definitely.
Is you got-
They could come from anywhere.
you got an angle of depression.
Crazy how close Russia and Alaska are.
See, that's what I did.
We
I
got
just didn't
Alaska
like it.
from
No,
Russia,
I don't
like
think
we stole it from them.
Nice. But is
I
it
didn't
this
fall
far
for
closer?
that
You can
triangle.
see Russia.
I
from
saw for
Alaska.
these two triangles.
So this is 19 degrees. So it says, how wide is the canyon at that point? So
He said this.
to me, what you have
We're gonna redraw this.
Understood.
is you have this side here, which is going to be, this side's going to be, your opposite side's going to be 72.56 minus 61.59.
Which side is he on the wood, dog?
I don't know.
And then-
Dotted and solid.
To me, it's,
That's just what.
there's a little bit of ambiguity in this one here, because when they say how wide is the canyon, are they talking about this distance, this horizontal distance top, or are they talking about this direct line? What do you think?
Is it the line?
I don't know.
It could be either one. 'Cause
It actually could be either one, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and assume this one right here. I'll figure out what the book does later, but you can see there's an interpretation of either way, right? So I'm gonna assume this one right here. So this is gonna be our hypotenuse, right? And this one here is gonna be our opposite, which is gonna be, what is it,
1097.
1097?
Yes.
1097 feet is what that one is. So here's your X. So you'll say that's going to be sine, right? So sine of 19 degrees is equal to 1097 over X. So X is equal to 1097 over sine 19 degrees. Radians here.
Yeah, that's what we have, 3360.
And then like, I have my list.
I would have never drawn it like that. Well, I drew it like that, but I was solving for two different separate triangles. I didn't realize the angle of depression meant this line here. That makes sense. I didn't realize they meant from here to here.
So about 3369.5 feet.
I didn't even go back to that.
Wait, was that sign?
I didn't realize.
And the only thing I don't know is that I'm trying to figure out what the book did here.
The book uses cotangent, Mr. Duke.
Oh, okay, so if the book uses cotangent, the book is talking about this distance right up here. Right, because the book is using cotangent, they're using this instead.
Yes, and
Yeah.
that comes out to 3,186.
It should be a little bit, yeah, so, I don't know. To me, it just depends on, you can consider either way, right? How wide is it? But the book says cotangent, so it'd be like tangent of 71 degrees.
Well, technically, yeah.
Tangent 71 degrees equals x over 1097. And so x is equal to 1097, tangent 71 degrees. And that's what we're gonna get that, right, Jose?
Yes.
Yeah. Somebody have that in their calculator? 1097, 10, 71 degrees, what is that? 3,100, you say? Either way, to me, you can justify either one as the correct answer, can't you?
Yes.
Which one would you rather do? This one
I'd
here?
rather do the cotangent one, it was easier in my
Would
head.
you?
Yeah, it was more simpler because all we had to do was.
And what it is that it makes sense from the standpoint of, yeah, that's the horizontal distance, right? So anyway. Yeah, every year this comes up, like,
That's all I'm
Bring back the wood.
I'm cool once he's not that weird. But sometimes I can't wear one pieces because like the way my torso is like on my torso is like. Yeah, and it's like coming up and it's just like all over you.
okay, 20.
Yeah.
20, the ranger spotting of fire, 73-foot tower in Yellowstone National Park. What is this going to be?
That's mine.
Yeah. It went away though.
How far from the
I mean, at least
fire
it's
is
like.
the tower?
What'd you get for that?
For this one here, we have F.
Oh my gosh. Well, is it 60? Yeah. How about you? 5 years or time. Either. So it's 1.30. I put 20 down. I do 1 times.
The news that I just got, like the Fox News says, White House reveals whether Russia just launched an official invasion.
Nice. Subject of the day.
I'm saying
222
there's-
is going to be the start of.
Oh, actually they did that on,
They did all of that on President's Day, where they like, I don't know what they did yesterday, but it was something bad for my all on President's Day. I know Canada went wild. It's been.
I even think it's too, except.
Yeah, they've been just, yeah. Well, the NRD because of the COVID. Yeah. It's being like mandatory. Yeah. But then it's like, it's like we're not getting no gas or something. Or I don't know. And then like
The what?
gas. Because all of our, or not all of our, but.
a good portion of our gas goes in there.
Oh, and then if Russia attacks Ukraine,
That's not right.
then, because that is like some oil, like the US will cut off their.
So I think it maybe,
So then like, everything's gonna go up.
Something wrong with our angle.
yeah, I think it's 73 tangent. No, that's too far.
Maybe.
Okay, I need some
No,
help.
I don't
There's
think-
no way this angle is 1.3 degrees.
That's what I'm saying, no. And so, did you get 3,000 something? Yeah, I tried it both ways, but either one
Wait
makes
a
sense.
second.
Because the tower's
Honey,
on
when I put this in,
Yeah.
I put in one.
How is the angle
Oh, I
only
didn't
1.3 degrees?
Well, so that's what I did first, and then I did what we did on the problem beforehand, where I made this 1.3.
I mean, honestly, if you're on a tower and if the fire is, you're looking down like 1.3 degrees, that would make sense for the fire to only be 1.66 feet away. If you're only looking down that many degrees, it would only be like,
Well, any number you put in there would make sense as far as like where you're looking.
honestly,
If you're looking 88,
you checking with me? Like if you're only looking like this, then it's only gonna be like this distance.
no, it doesn't make sense for us to do that.
It's just you're sitting up really tall, you're looking straight down.
Should I
It's
just go
true.
do that? Should I just go do that?
It makes sense though with any number you put in.
No, but you're in a tower,
No, but isn't the answer you're getting 1.6?
6 feet away from the base of the tower. The fire's 1.66 feet away from the base of the tower.
You better.
Oh.
From the top of the
Okay, I'll do it.
tower.
Should I just do that? Should I just do that?
Unless the 1.3 is the one on top.
But any angle you put in there would make sense because it's all proportional. to each other. If you put 50 degrees out, it's gonna be proportional with whatever answer.
I can see it. Like if you're sitting up here, and you're like this.
No, I think it's because we're supposed to do cotangent. Are we?
it. I'm sure you can
What
do
were you
this with
saying was
anything.
proportional with what?
Any angle okay, then that's gonna be proportional. If you put, if you're looking 50 degrees up, the answer you get's gonna be proportional. Because that's how that works.
Well, I think that this makes sense. You're just sitting up really high for some reason.
I wouldn't be sitting up anywhere if the fire was a few feet from that.
You're 73 feet.
I mean,
up.
at this point, he's burning up. You're not even.
No, you got it wrong, man.
Yeah, like you're
You forgot
looking.
to use the degree.
It's coming up to you.
It's rising.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I did not know that was coming.
So
Oh.
here's your 1 point,
At least we were right.
Yeah.
Is it 3,000? Mr. G,
Yeah,
answer 3,000.
Hey, Mr. G, is it 3,000?
Mr. G, we
And with three.
And the reason is, it makes sense, right? Because that does not make sense.
I'm telling you, it's the cotangent.
Okay, just cotangent.
I